Anytime me come for deal with the matter. Hear me now, do me say dog eat your supper. Come listen, me say cat pan the rhythm, me sata. Me lay down pan the rhythm like a chop and tire. And say clean the rhythm like a pot pan fire. You sleep on wire, me we sleeping.
There was nothing in the system of research created all around. Hey, the criticize the road. You can have a break and have a coffee drink. Just blow the engine and I love it. Yo! They're not different candles. Skies and fantasies who come around. They let you know what you feel. Try this, let me know. Don't have a drum, rising up. All this fun and trying to keep you for this night. That's a God, before you dance abroad. Because you wake up in your heart, treat it dead. Because we carry the way. Words are passing.
You know, you're blind out every time, you know. Yeah, so we're blind to you. You know. Yeah, don't know, I'm massive.
Heel and toe and tumble down. Heel and toe just don't fall down.
We lock the whole damn planet. No matter what they say, none of them can stand it. Ethiopia, well you know we done got it. Nigeria, Ghana, the whole place lock it. Kenya.
This is not the style, your papa. Salt on the bridge, where them call pepper. Salt get salt, pepper get hotter. Let's get some of the pepper, and clean and here we don't go. But we got the papa. Stop the children and tell us to worry, mama. Tell them that you can't do clear power. Military strength and military power. Because in every second, every hour. Then we are up in the beat and floor. Tell them about the power, the power. One day power, set to the verse.
Well, greetings from the one called Skilladdy Don. Life seems so tough sometimes, but we
can never stay down. Always stay strong. Trotting on this very road. Sometimes life seems so tough and things get overload. I would not be here cause I don't stand alone. Jah alone guide me on the throne. I've been trotting on this very road. When life seems so tough and things get overload, I would not be here cause I don't stand alone. Jah guide me, Pia, sit down on the throne. Goodness vibration, that makes me stay strong. That keep me fortified, that make me stay long.
And if them this the king, you know them get a wrong bang. King Selassie the first and tell them not the second. Some a hustle and a work them 9 to 5. But no matter the situation, have to stay alive.
Trotting on this very road. Sometimes life seems so tough and things get overload. I would not be here cause I don't stand alone. Jah alone guide me on the throne. I've been trotting on this very road. When life seems so tough and things get overload, I would not be here cause I don't stand alone. Jah guide me, Pia, sit down on the throne.
Him give me the blessing on the curse king. And I bingy coulda never be the worst thing. I sap na broccoli go bun down the pork thing. Can get a youth and a real African king.
Trotting on this very road. Sometimes life seems so tough and things get overload. I would not be here cause I don't stand alone. Jah alone guide me on the throne.
Zion, so me big up all the ganja man and woman man straight from Zion. Real recognize real, who know you feel, and the prophecy reveal. Jah belly bossy 7 seal, lightning and thunder is real, brimstone and lava is real. Like a orange where you feel, who know you feel. Judgment it look them like steel, and then see me with the fire car. Who born Satan and me love the Muslims who read the Quran. Me give thanks and praise to the Almighty One, cause I him make me foot and I him make me hand, and I him make me brain to me meditate on. Man a real bunga na ya hand the youth them strong, cause I know evil can come round the lion straight from Zion. Cause I know evil can come round the lion man straight from. This is Trinidad, and where the youth them well bad, but still remember God. How we do this, we not promote no stooges. Be a bad man, about 21 gang in the Highland, and we not play a man, so know what you want to do. And when you come from the land, come with a conscious plan. Yeah, Muslim Rasta link up, so what the wicked them a think up. Enough of them too bad mind and too corrupt. Allah and Jaja, him a full up me cup.